Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get beer in Yakuza 0. Go straight to the required mission and follow the objective marker to the area that yields the only beer source. Stay focused on story progression and avoid side distractions until you secure the beer. This method is reliable and repeatable, so you will not need glitches or mods to obtain the item. In this video, I will show how to get beer in Yakuza 0. Travel to the designated place, shown on your mission map, and approach the interaction prompt to start the beer event. Keep an eye on cutscene cues and available interaction icons so you do not miss the pickup. Once the scene ends, you can grab the beer from the indicated spot and add it to your items without extra requirements. In this video, I will show how to get beer in Yakuza 0. Save your game first so you can retry if you miss the interaction or trigger. Avoid using shortcuts or skipping the cutscene that signals the beer pickup, since missing it may force a longer replay. Follow prompts carefully and keep your camera steady so you can see the item appear and collect it quickly after the scene ends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.